Here we have, in front of us, the light utility helicopter. It did a high-speed run. Now it does a wing over right in front of us. The display today is being performed by HAL Chief Test Pilot Wing Commander Unni Pillai along with Wing Commander Bambani. Wing Commander Unni Pillai, we need to say a few words about him, has flown over 8,000 hours and over 30 different types of flying machines, both fixed and rotary wing. He has been the CTP, the Chief Test Pilot of HAL, for over 14 years in his illustrious career spanning over 38 years, both in IAF and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the light utility helicopter right in front of us, now ready to perform some unique helicopter maneuvers. This is the pirouette, a very unique maneuver where the pilot keeps the nose pointed to the center as he laterally traverses the circumference of a circle. This demonstrates adequate control power and the agility of the machine. Here the light utility helicopter is performing a rearward flight which will culminate in the extreme tail-up maneuver. Designing a helicopter for India's vast and varied terrain with its conflicting requirement is a daunting task. HAL lives up to this challenge, achieving it completely in-house. The helicopter now can be fully customized to the specific needs of any customer, civil or military, Indian or foreign. The light utility helicopter, after its operational clearance, has now entered the production phase. More than 1,000 of these helicopters are expected to be rolled out of the recently inaugurated Asia's largest helicopter factory in Tumkuru,